Do you hear it? The faint ticking of the clock? It's not just the sound of time passing. It's a reminder that every moment is a gift, one we can never reclaim. Yet, how often do we squander this precious gift, chasing things that leave us feeling empty? Today, let us reflect on time, priorities, and the true essence of life. Many years ago, when I first entered the monastery, I struggled with letting go of my attachments. Like most people, I believed my worth was tied to achievements, possessions, and the approval of others. One day, my teacher handed me a small hourglass. "Watch this," he said. As the sand began to trickle down, he explained, "This is your life. Every grain represents a moment. Once it passes, it's gone forever. What will you do with the grains that remain?" That question changed everything for me. It made me realize that time is not meant to be spent, it's meant to be invested. So, how do we invest it wisely? Let me share 3 lessons that have guided me. In our modern world, we're bombarded with messages that tell us to want more, buy more, achieve more. But chasing more often leaves us with less. Less peace, less time, less joy. True contentment comes not from adding, but from subtracting. When we simplify our desires, we free ourselves to focus on what truly matters: relationships, purpose, and inner peace. How often do we let moments slip away because we're distracted by our past regrets or future worries? A wise man once said, "The present moment is the only moment you have control over." When you're fully present, even mundane tasks can become meaningful. Next time you're with someone you care about, put away your phone, look into their eyes, and truly listen. That moment will become a treasure. When I was younger, I thought happiness was something I had to find. But over the years, I've learned that happiness grows when we help others. Whether it's offering a kind word, lending a hand, or simply being there for someone, these acts of service connect us to the greater whole and give our lives meaning. Time is a river, always flowing, never pausing. We cannot stop it, but we can decide how to navigate it. Will you let it carry you aimlessly, or will you use it to build a life of purpose and love? The choice is yours. As you move through your day, remember this: life's most valuable treasures cannot be bought. They must be felt, shared, and lived. Reflect on where your time is going, and if it's leading you closer to what truly matters. Thank you for sharing this moment with me. If this message resonated with you, consider sharing it with someone you care about. And if you'd like to join me on this journey of reflection and growth, don't forget to subscribe. May your days be filled with peace and purpose.